What is inside here? Remote.
Show me the remote.
Yes. There's a battery inside. There. Let's take out where you wait. Where is it? Yeah, take out this one first. Okay. Let's put it on. Okay, now we need to the rest of the thing. Wait,
Maybe the other side.
One.
There, I saw.
Where?
There, no, not inside.
Oh, you put it here. Put it inside here. Oh my god, how does it? Wait. Okay, let's try. Let's put it in here. Oh, I'm so scared now. Okay, can somebody hold it?
Called Chichi.
Chichi!
Louder.
Chichi! Chichi! Chichi!
Suresha. Call Chichi Suresha.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Helicopter. On it.
I think the battery is not working. You try it again?
Yeah.
On it, Suresha.
Hey.
No battery enough. Must charge first.
Take this out.
Okay, so I need to charge it first. Oh god, I'm so scared.
Okay, you charge it first again.
Okay. Okay, let's try it. Okay. What? What is this?
This color. Touch.
So, this is the remote. You must open this.
Show me.
You must open this. You must open this when you do want to play. You must open this. Put it where you belong. Put in here. If you want to play, take out this. And just put inside. Exactly like that. You can on it also here. This on. That would be good. Wait. Oh my god, what's happening? Whoa. Oh, wait. What happened? Oh,
No more battery.
it's not.
No, it's not battery.
Oh.
Must charge first. Let me see. Oh, that's beautiful.
Now I have to charge it. Wait, let me put this. There it is. I need to charge it. Maybe it's the charger is right here. Yes, thank you. You. Okay. Oh god, what's happening? It's going down. Maybe it's something. Something's happening. Oh, here. Not let me talk about that. I'm scared right now. Okay, this the charger is in here. Okay, I go. Charge it. Okay, let's go. Whoa.
Okay, I will charge it. Wait, wait, wait.
So I'm back, guys. Today I'm going to charge my thing for a while, and after I'll be back for a while to charge this one. It's so nice. I'm so happy. Maybe a flight in our system. Okay, so this one is charging on it, and this one is helicopter. This is helicopter. The helicopter. I don't know what it is, huh? And you need to fix something here. You need to. Yeah, after you go. Then it is. This is my favorite. This engine to light up. And this one is the helicopter inside something inside. So it's it. And this is the charger. So this is one. The helicopters go up to onto that side. It's gonna spoil it. I should don't go there. And the frame is also got to So I'm putting back, guys. Now because cannot work. Must buy a new charger and buy a new fix all these things. So yeah, I'm gonna fix this one and put it back now. I was gonna have this. So I use this last time to take out this one and say, what's this? I use it, it's fun. Like something funny. Like this. What's this? Like this. What's this? I always use it. Okay, now that. And one, this is broken. This one is broken. This one, the charger. That's broken. It's broken. Let's buy a new charger. I'm so happy. This was the okay, now I can do that. Oh. Hello. Try going on it. I'm going on it. Oh no, I'm seriously can't. Okay, I'm gonna on it. Seriously, no, I want on it. Okay, I want on it. Oh no. I'm not even play. No. No, please, I'm so scared right now. Okay, we don't get. I'm so scared to run playing. Sorry guys. I'm so sorry. So after we go and put back on. Okay? I'm so scared.
I'll put back.
Now I'll put back. Wait.
do my head. Yeah. It's so big, it's so big.
Let me do it. You don't know how to do it. And then don't slowly.
So I'm gonna put back. So nice. Okay. I'm gonna put back. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna do it. Look at injection. Is it? Wait. Benji? Wait, Benji? Okay, don't share.
Let me do it.
No. Ah, I got it. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. So I'm going to the back now. That's all for today. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Tap that bell for notifications and give thumbs up if you like it and rate. So if you want the baby just bright and nicely, keep on your room and don't break it. And before, give a thumbs up if you have liked this video. Plus 1,000 likes, 1,000, and now I'm gonna correct my video. Bye.